Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete your Google Maps account. So let's get right into it. Now, if you want to delete your Google Maps account, you're going to need to delete your entire Google account as well, since there are no specific accounts for maps. So it's pretty much impossible to do it just like that. If you have any data on your account that is specifically tied to maps, for example, any custom maps in your maps, or if you have your home and work addresses set in Google Maps, you can just go into the settings and just delete all the information from there. However, if you want to delete your account, you're going to need to delete your own Google account because that is automatically linked to Maps. And again, there are no separate accounts for Maps, so you really cannot delete it. And you wouldn't need an account for Maps anyway, since you can use it easily just like this. But if you want to delete your account, what you need to do is you need to go into your account manager. You're gonna come to this screen. You just need to click on your profile icon in the top right and go to your account manager. Then you're gonna need to go into data and privacy, scroll all the way down, and once you're here, you're going to see more options where you can delete your Google account. You can click this, follow the steps, and your Google account will be deleted once you fully confirm that you want to. However, keep in mind that all the data will be lost and you will need to create an entirely new Google account if you want to use any services further. But other than that, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.